You know what I just thought of? While we're messing around with the Magnum, putting it up on the lift, I got some goodies here. Oops, there goes my impact. Got some goodies here we might check out. Maybe put these old pavement slappers on there. I think we might actually do that. I got couplers too. I got a little exhaust leak because I was kind of sloppy with my mid-pipe install. I didn't have everything I needed. So maybe we're gonna rectify that situation with some pavement slappers. Letter E, Bartle Skeet. All right, time to take off the wheels. I had to get my lug nut key or wrench or whatever. Something's wrong with my door hinge. You can hear that pop nasty. Check this out though. It's made for these lugs. You can't take them off any other way. A deep socket won't fit on there, deep well. So they're really hard to steal, which is kind of one of the reasons I liked getting, or I wanted to get them. Looks like my neighbor's coming outside. See what she's up to. Break these bad boys loose. There we go. 3 more to do. That one came all the way off. Whoops. That's okay. I'm taking them all off anyway. All right. For 170 bucks, you can't complain about this guy. Pretty nice. Check these lugs out. Bye, Chris! Neighbor's leaving, she's cool. Screw those little spike caps, right? Just all right, look at these bad boys. There's way more meat left on these guys. That's the front. That's the rear. That's how it should be. Unless you're wrong wheel drive. Or all wheel drive, that's okay. Not front wheel drive, like that guy. Wrong wheel drive. I'm gonna go fast, well, spinning ain't winning. As the wise Monza would say. All right. All right, y'all don't even know what's about to happen. We got the exhaust dropped. Now we just gotta get the exhaust chopped. Ooh, it's gonna be so loud. Whatever. It's all good. Hold up, can you turn this? Yeah. Alright, so here's the deal. I'm gonna get under here. Alright, so those are my mid pipes. They go all the way up to the short tube headers that you probably can't see because it's dark. Whatever. You don't need to see them. They're little 4-to-1 collectors. So we're removing that. We're removing it. And we're gonna make loud noises. Stay tuned for the loud noises. It's gonna be lit. See you guys in a bit. All right, so I hate these exhaust clamps, by the way. The band clamps are way better. But for what we're doing here today, this is fine. I don't have any band clamps that are 3-inch anyway, so this is what we got. This is what we got to deal with. It'll be all right. No big deal. I can fix it later if I really want to. We'll see. I'm just gonna burn these stickers off. We're not gonna take them off. Screw it. All right. Here we go. Oh, I gotta move this out first. Yeah. That's not very light, is it? Done. All right. One of these is a little bigger than the other. All right. So make sure we're good. Oh man, it's ridiculous. Oh, I hope this works. This might be too loud. But we're gonna send it anyway. Just gonna send it. Alright, here we go. Ladies and gents. Oh, you guys gotta see this. This looks sick. This looks sick. Check this out. There's the dumps right there. We're just gonna make loud noises. A little bit of Hemi action. Scare all the people. Get pulled over and ticketed maybe. Oh, the cops like me here. So as long as I keep that going. And I have that other, what I call it, the fancy Prius. It's a Lexus CT200H. It's basically a Prius with leather and extra buttons. Well, here we go. We'll do a startup video, don't worry. That's coming right after. That's coming right after.